Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
Specifically, we'll demonstrate here, guys, on a 2016 Ford F-150 that we have here, guys. But even if you have a different year, that generation video may be helpful. You have two fuse boxes in your truck. One is under the hood, and if you open it, it will look like that. You have a Ford specific fuses relays that could be really hard to find, expensive, overpriced. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy some fuses and relays at a good price and quick shipping. Check it out for your convenience. Then we need to go in the passenger compartment in the footwell, guys, right there. And by that kick panel, if you remove the plastic right here, you're going to open a fuse box that looks just like this one. Now, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste your time and money.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So the fuse for the steering column control module, guys, is now you will see that you have the small normal micro blade fuses right here, but then you have those double fuses. I've never you probably never seen anything like that until now. I don't blame you guys. I was shocked the first time I saw them too. So actually that's two fuses in one. For two different things. So the steering column control module fuse is number 13, guys. That's the right side of that fuse right here. That's number 13. So that fuse, 7.5 amp fuse, will need to be replaced if yours is burnt.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.